What if I told you there's a crypto project trying to replace the entire internet? Not just banks, not just payments, but servers, cloud storage, and apps themselves. Sounds insane, right? It's called ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, and most people completely misunderstand it. Let's fix that. When people hear crypto, they think Bitcoin, Ethereum, meme coins, trading charts. But ICP isn't trying to be another coin. It's trying to be a decentralized version of the internet itself. And that's what makes it controversial, powerful, and very risky. Internet Computer, built by the Definity Foundation, is a blockchain designed to run entire applications directly on-chain. Not just smart contracts, not just tokens, full websites, social media apps, DeFi platforms, games, all without Amazon AWS, Google Cloud, and centralized servers. Instead, everything runs on a global network of independent data centers. Think of it like this. Ethereum runs apps, and ICP runs the internet itself. How ICP actually works. ICP uses something called canisters. Canisters are like superpowered smart contracts that hold code, data, and memory, all in one place. And instead of gas fees like Ethereum, ICP uses cycles, which are created by burning ICP tokens. So, the more apps people use, the more ICP gets consumed. That's a key idea most people miss. What is the ICP token used for? The ICP token isn't just for trading. It's used for governance, staking, and fueling the network. In simple terms, ICP is the fuel, the voting power, and the economic backbone of the system. Let's address the elephant in the room. ICP launched near $700, then crashed over 99%. Many investors were burned. Trust was lost, and critics called it overhyped. But here's the thing most people ignore. The technology never stopped building. Today, ICP hosts on-chain websites, AI integrations, social platforms, and cross-chain bridges. While the price collapsed, the infrastructure quietly improved. Supporters believe ICP could benefit if Web3 adoption grows, AI needs decentralized compute, and governments and companies seek censorship-resistant platforms. If ICP succeeds, it's not competing with coins, it's competing with big tech, and that's a massive market. Let's be real, this is high risk, high reward, not a guaranteed win. ICP isn't a meme coin, it isn't a quick flip. It's one of the most ambitious experiments in crypto history. Whether it becomes the future of the internet or a lesson in overambition, that's still being written. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think ICP is ahead of its time or already left behind? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more real crypto breakdowns. No hype, just facts.